Today we're going to talk about what improvements are worth doing when selling an inherited home. Let's get started right after this. When selling an inherited home, it's easy to believe that you need to fix everything or fix nothing. However, in our experience, the best solutions for estates have been to do some cost-effective improvements. What do we mean by that? Well, to do targeted, specific changes that don't cost the estate too much in terms of the value, but really show well when it comes to how the home is presented to buyers. To begin, we always recommend decluttering and deep cleaning. This is because the impression that buyers have when a property is filled with items is that there's not a lot of space. But an empty home shows spacious and like there's lots of room. Deep cleaning can also help to give people the best first impression. And both of these typically tend to cost the estate less than to do a complete remodel. In this video, we're going to talk about the improvements that our team have found are worth doing. But remember, every property is unique, and it's always good to talk to your trusted professionals about your specific circumstances. Hi, I'm Ashley Rivera with Probate and Trust Help. We specialize in helping executors, administrators, and trustees like yourself through the preparation, marketing, and sale of their loved ones' homes. So let's start by talking about some exterior improvements that you can make that are cost-effective. Number one is you're going to want to remove clutter. And you're going to find that this is a theme throughout all of the home. The more clutter you remove, the more spacious the property will feel. So beginning with decluttering on the exterior of the home is important, especially on the front exterior. Along with that, you're going to want to have a landscaper come in and do some basic maintenance. This could be things like trimming back bushes or trees, mowing the lawn, and just in general cleaning up the front of the property and the exterior of the back of the property so that the property has a clean look on the outside. Another simple improvement that we've made on a few of our properties, and you may have seen this video on our Instagram, sometimes the house numbers can be a little bit of a challenge to see. And so we find that it's a great idea to go in and ensure that the property house numbers are clean and visible and stand out when you're driving by. It's a super cost-effective maintenance item that can really help buyers to find the property to begin with. Next, let's talk about the interior. Depending on where the estate is financially, you're going to want to have some basic minor repairs done if you find that there's some maintenance issues that haven't been handled. For example, if you have a leaky faucet or a leaky toilet, you'd want to have that repaired before putting the property on the market. This is because if a buyer comes in and they see a leak, they might assume that the damage is more extensive than it might actually be. Also on the interior, if the estate can afford this, it's a great idea to have fresh paint put in. Now, you're going to want to make a judgment based on how much needs to be painted. If every single piece of the property needs to be touched, for example, the baseboards, the ceiling, and the walls, it might be outside of the estate's financial means to do that. However, if the baseboards and ceilings look like they're in pretty good condition, you may find that simply painting the walls with neutral colors really brightens up the place. Along with this, we've also had a lot of situations recently where we've had properties that had really damaged carpet. Now, when it comes to replacing carpet, you're gonna have to make this decision with your trusted advisor. However, in our situation, we found that a lot of times just removing the damaged carpet, even if the flooring isn't amazing looking underneath, it can help improve the overall presentation to your buyers. Why is this? Well, stained or damaged carpet implies that there's been a lot of issues in the home. If you remove the stained and damaged carpet and there's, say, hardwoods or laminate underneath, it's gonna look better. You can clean that and have it look presentable. We've also had situations where properties are marketed to investors and we've still had the carpet removed. And this is because even if there's subflooring underneath the carpet, removing that carpet just makes the home look more presentable, even to the investor buyers. I want to ask you to please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. We love to hear your comments, so if you have a question, please put it in the comment section below. It helps us to navigate our videos based on what's most helpful to our audience like yourself. Let's talk about another inexpensive update. Sometimes when you walk into a kitchen, it has really old hardware. The handles on the cabinets are dated, and that alone can bring down the buyer's impression of a property. So sometimes we walk in and we simply change out all of the kitchen knobs. You'd be amazed at how much better a property can look by just updating the kitchen hardware. You can also update things like faucets and lighting fixtures. Places like Costco sometimes have really inexpensive lighting fixtures, and they'll usually come in sets, and so you can just put in a new lighting fixture and have that improve the overall impression of your buyers. Keep in mind with this, there are some situations where this may not be of value to the estate. For example, if all of the appliances are so dated that they don't really feel like they're gonna improve, you're gonna be able to improve anything inside the home in that space, you might want to choose to just skip making these updates. So this next particular update might be something that you look into for both the kitchen and the bathrooms, and that would be having them refinished. So with a kitchen sink, if you're noticing that there's a lot of damage to the interior of the kitchen sink, especially around the drain, it might be worth considering having a company come in and refinish the kitchen sink. You may also find that this is of value in the bathroom if the tile is kind of an odd color, or if there's a lot of non-neutral tones happening. It might be a great idea to have a company come in and refinish the bathtub or shower tiles and the tub itself. It's a relatively inexpensive change that can really brighten up those spaces. So just to review, we've talked about some really basic but high quality improvements that can make a home really present well to buyers. Investor buyers and traditional buyers are going to find that these improvements, for example, mowing the lawn, trimming the trees and the bushes, ensuring that the address numbers are visible from the street, making sure that the flooring is nice, maybe putting in some new paint, some new knobs in the kitchen, and refinishing of the sink and tub. These are all improvements that do not cost too much for the estate, but can really increase the presented value to any buyers. So we wanted to review that real quick with you just so that you're aware of these improvements, and maybe they'll help you through this process to figure out what's the best choices for your estate. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button. We'll see you next week.